Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Before removing the iOS 26 beta, back up your device right away. Use iCloud or connect to a Mac or PC and back up in Finder or iTunes. Make sure you have at least 2 GB free on your device for temporary files and updates. Confirm that the backup finished and note the backup date and device name. These steps protect your photos, messages, and settings in case you need to restore later. To stop receiving iOS 26 beta updates, open Settings and navigate to General. Tap VPN and Device Management and remove the iOS 26 beta profile from your device. After removing the profile, restart the iPhone to apply changes and wait about 30 minutes for servers to sync. If the device still shows beta updates, prepare to use a Mac or PC to restore the device with recovery mode. This ensures the phone leaves the beta release channel cleanly. If removing the profile did not revert your device, restore via a computer. Download the correct IPSWA file for your device model and latest public iOS release. Connect the iPhone, put it into recovery mode, and open Finder or iTunes. Choose Restore while holding Option or Shift if you manually select the IPSWA file. The restore process typically takes 30 to 60 minutes depending on file size and connection speed. When finished, set up the phone and restore from your backup to recover data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.